Okay, thank you very much, Thomas. And hi, everyone. Thank you very much for your interest in this competition. And let me briefly talk about why I give a strongest support to this competition. So when Thomas came to me with this idea, I really like the idea because, I haven't heard any single economic policy competition, not only in Hong Kong, but also in any other countries. There are many, many business competitions, but as an economist, the idea of having this economic competition is extremely, extremely welcome, right? So if you have learned economics, modeling, empirical method, and this is the opportunity for you to utilize the knowledge and idea and contribute to the real issue. So I strongly encourage you to work on it and participate in this competition. So let me briefly talk about these judging rubrics. You can find the information on the website as well, but let me go over one by one and explain what I mean for each category. So first one is understanding of the current housing situation. Here I want to give you these questions. What is the main problem you are tackling? Okay, the housing market issue is important, and there are many different kind of problems. And what exactly is the problem that you are interested in? Okay, you need to show very clearly the problem you are tackling. You don't want to say, oh, we want to fix the housing market. Okay, that's too broad. That's too abstract. Okay, so be specific and choose your target. And that's the first thing. And the second thing is originality and creativity. And to me, it's about how you convincingly and successfully argue that the problem you identify is more important than other problems. Okay, of course, you can imagine that there are many problems that are well known. Okay, but there should be some reason why those problems are not completely solved. Okay, so you need to think about the original problem and then find a creative solution. And of course, you need to show why you think this problem is important. Okay, that's the second thing. The third one is accuracy and depth of analysis. Of course, telling the story is important, but this is economic competition. So not just storytelling. I need something else. What do I need? Data, evidence, and analysis. Those are the essential feature, and we're gonna pay a lot of attention on this aspect of your proposal. The fourth, presentation, okay? This is competition. You need to convince other people that what you're working on is interesting, important, okay? And remember that you have 12-page limitation, and you cannot say much. So after you have concrete analysis and empirical, work, you need to find a way to deliver it in a simple but impressive way. So this is simply how you present your work clearly, right? That's very, very important, okay? Probably the last one is feasibility of the policy recommendations, okay? Of course, you don't need to understand all the restrictions that the real policymakers encounter in reality, but your policy recommendation should be feasible. What do I mean by feasibility? For example, we all know that building so many new apartments will resolve the problem completely in Hong Kong. We all know it, but that's not something we want to recommend because of the feasibility, okay? So make your proposal realistic, original, creative, based on thorough economic analysis, theoretical and empirical. That's what I recommend. Okay, let me stop here. Thank you very much.